into this
I think we
judgment.
shouldn't really spend too much time at this stage to say, is it operational, is it possible, is it feasible to effect this judgment and all that. Judiciary's business is not to lay a blueprint as to how you're going to go about it. They look at, I'm repeating this, they look at the hard evidence and determine the facts of a case legally as per the firm framework given by the Constitution. To expect it to respond either to the emotions or to also look at how it's going to be operational, it's not the headache of the judiciary. It is the political commitment with which all parties will have to sit and look at how it has to be implemented. To speak about it now, of course, I'm not.
Conviction has never been a virtue of a political party.
No. Wait a minute.
They speak according to convenience.
No. I think now we cannot be doomsayers always.
I'm not saying doomsayers.
No, excuse me. Let me just finish this. I think it's a good moment where the judiciary of this country, after 60 long years of looking into factual evidence in front of them, has come up with what they think is possible from the judiciary's point of view. Now, to start picking on it now itself and say, no, this is not possible to implement it. No, it's created more questions. I think we shouldn't get into a national cynical mood where, we want to downcry everything. I think it's a good opportunity that the judiciary has looked into some core issues which have always been troubling so many of our minds, and now look at the way in which this can be taken forward, sit together, talk about it and go, rather than now itself saying, what has the judiciary done? What kind of a judgment is this? I'm sorry, no. I think the judiciary cannot be expected to be populist. Judiciary's business, it is not certainly to speak about, oh, I'm responding to one and not the other community, I'm doing a balancing act. No, please. This is a cold-cut look at evidences which were in front of them. They've looked at it and they've come out. A logical
I'm not
conclusion.
raising the issue about judiciary. I'm not criticizing the judiciary. Don't discuss the issue.
And therefore,
I'm not criticizing the judge. I am saying judgment doesn't settle the question.
No,
you are trying to divert. Is it implementable? I want to ask this question.
No, that will be known after we read the whole thing.
Read it all the 10,000 pages. Your party should be read it. It is in front of me. I have read it.
No, the party is sitting over
Because your party has not taken a view, therefore you can't speak.
No, absolutely not. I think
RS has taken a view at least. They have spoken about it.
No, I'm sorry. I wouldn't want words put in my mouth.
That Advaniji has just spoken.
Advaniji
has just spoken a few minutes ago.
I'm not saying it's not a bad judgment. It's settled for question of
No, I don't want to take it as an argument against what you put to Mr.
I have read the judgment, therefore I am speaking on the
Very well. I am not objecting to your speaking here, but what I am interested in highlighting about the judgment here is today's mood, I think, should be looking at the cold logic with which courts pronounce their judgment.
Okay.
And from there,
it is one question I am asking you for record so that I can quote you 2 years later. Will you rate this question in the House, in the Parliament or not after the Supreme Court gives the judgment?
Time only will tell us. I don't want to comment anything today because we're still talking about it rather than speculating on it.
Don't you think it's beyond just a petty political issue?
I think it's bigger thing. That's right. You're looking at the court.
It's much bigger. You're looking at it a very narrow way, Prabhu. You're looking at it literally, we want this.
I'm sorry. I'm discussing, I'm a journalist, I'm discussing journalism, I'm discussing facts, I'm not discussing opinion. I'm talking about the judgment. It's good for India. We are all united. India has moved beyond India.
That's what we're all saying.
India has moved beyond, because once it comes again, the wounds will be revived. Once it opens up, Supreme Court gives a particular kind of judgment. I'm saying the question was, it should have been settled once for all. Who owns the land? How will you divide? Once you are saying dismissal Sunni Waqf Board, then you are saying give it to one-third. I'm raising issues.
Okay, those issues.
As a journalist, my duty. I am not here to support A or support B. You are cutting that issue. That's what I am saying. You will raise the same issue little later. That we'll have a democratic
right to
protest.
We're looking at it in a bigger way.
But I think
you're looking at it as just for one temple. You're worried only about this one temple.
The whole nation is discussing since morning only temple. You're saying we have moved beyond temple, and all the issues are being discussed morning. Live discussion.
There are implications beyond the temple.
Let me complete. If it is one of the judgments, let us take it that way, and we should not have covered the live this way, because it's important for the nation's psyche, because this judgment has become so powerful that everybody wants to know what it means for the country. And it is a good judgment in terms of once for all it has settled one issue, question of faith. It is a good judgment, we should all welcome on that, and after that everybody should keep quiet.
Okay.
But after we must raise what next?